Alright, so this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to do a bar chart using Google Sheets. You can use other spreadsheets and it'll be similar, but Google Sheets I find is something that is easily accessible and anyone can use. So I have here my data already, treatment A and treatment B, and the total number in each of those treatments. This may be an average. In this case, I'm talking about total counts. So I counted up all these different bacterial colonies in these petri dishes, and so that's what I'm going to graph. So the first thing I'm going to do after I have my data in there is I'm just going to select the data, and then on the top right there's a plus button. When I hit the plus button, it asks me if I want to insert something in here, and I'm going to insert this chart. Okay, now it has something already selected here. Oftentimes it'll have the line chart as the default. I want to have a column chart or bar chart where it's going up from the x-axis. So I don't want one of these bar charts because that's going the wrong way. I want them to look like this. So there you go. I have my figure all ready to go. Now I'm going to edit some of the particulars in here. I don't want my legend to be off there to the right. And so I'm going to click on where it says legend, and I want it to be at the bottom, and that way it has it right underneath where the bars are. All right, and then I'm going to go back again, and the other thing I'm missing is a y-axis, so I can click on titles, and on titles I don't need a horizontal axis title because I already have the legend down there, but I do need a left vertical axis title, and so there I'm going to write in total number of colonies. And then I can hit the check mark in the top left, and there has now produced my bar chart. Now to get it out of here, you might have to screenshot it because it doesn't look like it's going to let me copy and paste it. But if you're using another program or maybe even on the web browser, it will allow you to do that. And then I can add a figure caption. All right, that's it.